Hey guys, what's up? Rachel here. In case you're new to my video, my name is Rachel. I'm into lifestyle and motherhood. Today I'm just going to show you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree for a haul, and I also show you our first snowfall of New York State, at least my first seeing in the snowfall. So I make sure that I put that in there too because I'm shocked and I'm cold and I'm excited at the same time because Christmas is right around the corner, but I'm cold, so I don't want there to be snow. Novelle's been saying ew toward the snow, so. But anyway, if you guys want to see what I got in my Dollar Tree haul, let's get straight into this video. So I knew I was going to incorporate this into the video somehow. I wanted to show you guys because this is my first actual snowfall that I got to see so far this year. Today is November 7th, and it is snowing outside, and I have my car to prove it, so I'll show you that real quick. It is literally snowing out there. I'm not even sure if you guys can see, like, a little bit here and there, but my car is snowy. And it's kind of exciting, but at the same time, it is absolutely not. You can see Colt's a big old badass truck in the background, but yeah, we still have to take these decorations down. We put our Christmas lights up out there a while back, and that's all we have left to do, and then we're going to be showing you guys our Christmas decor soon. Yay! Who's excited for that? Boy, guys, I just came out of the Dollar Tree where I was shopping. I was going to take my phone in there to record everything to see what they had. They had a lot of things. This is my first time going here since fall time, and they had so many Christmas decorations and everything. I was so stoked, but I only brought $20 with me. But there were so many cars here, I was like, I don't want people staring at me, and I'm glad I didn't take anything in because people were watching through the windows and stuff. But anyway, we spent $17.32 or something, and we got a pretty good amount of items. So I am so excited to show you guys how I'm going to be decorating my little home this year. And other than that, though, I will show you guys everything once I get home, and hopefully we'll have a clean and decorate with me here soon. We're not going to be getting a tree yet. We're going to. So I so strongly. I'm so sorry. It's 9:51 p.m. and we went to the store at like 5:30. We've been at Colt's parents' house this entire time. So we're going to hopefully fly through this so I can make myself a quick snack, and then I can go from there. I just have some garbage I brought from my car. I have a can of oat soda and one of my probiotic things. Okay, so, well, we got this. Novelle saw this and she was like, Elsa, Anna. And then you can also make Olaf on the back. So we thought that was cute. But we got this for her. Obviously, everything was $1. This is all from the Dollar Tree. And honestly, I did not record in there, but you guys should go check it out if you have a Dollar Tree near you, because they had some really killer stuff in there for only $1. And a lot of it could have been more expensive. I mean, some of it was kind of like on the cheap side, but the ornaments they had were like perfect, pristine, and I love them. I'm going to go back and get more actually, because we're going to be doing something specific. We got these window clings. I thought these were like just little cute little things. I think honestly the pink kind of tied in a little bit, which I thought it made it look like, I don't know, I guess girly and more child, but they're also like, you obviously can't feel them, but they're like bubbled up. I don't know if you guys can tell from looking at them. Like if you turn them sideways, they're like bubbled up, and I think that like plays a big part in these stickers. But I like the pink, and I'm thinking about going blush pink or blue. We're actually going to have all of Colt's parents' old items for Christmas this year because we got rid of our tree 2 years ago, our large one, because we didn't have any place to put it in our home when we moved. And it was like the biggest mistake ever. Then we were scrambling like for a tree. Then we found out we had room for it, and we had got a 4-foot tree like last year, like I showed you guys in one of my vlogs. So this year we're going to get their old tree, which is a 7-footer. And then we are also going to have all of their old Christmas decorations that we're going to keep with ours because they're being passed down to us from Colt's Nana and Papa. They were theirs, and now they're going to be ours because they got all different decorations. They're going to go with like a farmhouse country theme because that's what they're turning their home into, which will be mine and Colt's home someday. And that's kind of like what our theme is in our house. You guys have seen like a few things that are more farmhouse, and we're starting to go further. But because Christmas is not about farmhouse, Christmas is about giving and the holly jolly spirit and everything, we're going with a bunch of different colors, and I am excited, but I might tie in the blush pink. I'm just not sure yet. Okay, so Novelle picked this out, and she calls these guys man. This was $1, and this is, I believe this is tinsel. On the back of it, it's just got like this little metal like cage type thing. But you can hang it up anywhere you would like to. And I think I already got a spot for this little guy, and it's like the cutest. I saw one also at Family Dollar when I was in there, and it was the same exact thing except it was made a little bit better. It was only $3. And it said welcome across the hat. We might still get that one too, and we could play as like Mama and Papa. Just not 100% sure yet, but if I do a haul there, I will make sure that I post that as well. And then Novelle picked these out. They're just red Christmas ornaments, and this was a set of 7, and it comes down here, it comes with like some strings so that you could put them on the ornaments. Do you say ornaments or ornaments? It says ornaments, but I always say ornaments. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. But I think they're really pretty. There's a few that are sparkly, and then the other ones are just like a matte finish. And I think they're going to look so cute for the decoration that we're actually going to be making for you. I don't want to say it because we'll give it away. I'm so excited. My parents used to do this for me all the time when I was younger, and I'm just so beyond excited to be able to do this, especially in memory of my mother. So I also found these ones. This is a set of 15. Yeah, 15. And this has a whole bunch of them. There's glitter ones, there's textured ones, and then we have, these ones are also textured, but they're more like a pumpkin. And it also comes with string, and I thought these were really super cute too. I like the small bulbs better because they come with more, and for $1, screw it. Like, that's amazing. Like, these bulbs are made pretty well too. And then for one of the ornaments I got, we got them in the 2 packages because it just seemed like $1 could go a long way for these. So they were technically like 50 cents a piece. And they're not bad. They're just 2 deer, and they're really sparkly and pretty. I mean, my hands are like really sparkly from them. But I got them in the 2-pack, and I just absolutely love them. We are also going to tie these in with it. I mean, obviously they're made kind of cheaply, but they're really not because they're not breakable or anything. I am sure if you really try, they can be. But I really like these as well. And 2 things I got. I really like the old truck, especially for Christmas time. It reminds me of the Hallmark Channel. Guys, give this video a thumbs up if you think the same exact thing, if that's like the recognition of the Hallmark Channel to you. But it says dashing through the snow, and then to go alongside of it, because it's snow related, it says let it snow. I was going to get another one that was like grayish, but I was like, I want to add a pop of color. So I thought these 2 could go well together, and the truck's in the background. So it really did fit in together. Snow, snow, and 2 trucks. Okay, there's one bag down. We got some of these just to stick in our ceiling. In the living room, we have a popcorn ceiling, and we got some of these for that. We got, well, it's tangled up, but we got some of these as well for the ornaments. I thought they were really super pretty, and like they're green and red. You can't go anywhere without having some kind of green or red items, especially in your home, whether you're doing blush pink or whatever it is. So definitely make sure. We also got this, and this reminds me of a farmhouse country theme. This is gonna be like our mistletoe. It's going to tie in with a lot of the farmhouse country themed things that we do have in our home, and a lot of the other wooden materials that we have built and everything. So I thought this was really, really cute, and we're going to find a spot to put this. I'm not sure where yet, but I thought it was adorable. And for $1, like, look at this. This is not just $1 worthy. And then they also had red and glitter ones too, but the white really stood out to me. But this is just so cute. It has like the burlap ribbon on it with the pine cones and some brush. So gorgeous. Make sure you check it out if you go to your Dollar Tree. Then we just got this 9-foot tinsel garland for the tree. We got this one. This was the first one I saw that I actually liked. There was like peppermint looking ones, and I was like, nah, not for me. And then we also found this one. We have some ornaments stuck to this one. Yeah. Okay. We also got this one, and the white kind of looks like it's a blush pink, like in the lighting. So I thought this would be really cute. So these 2 could go together. And then here's some other ornaments that we got, and I thought these were so cute. These are very, very shiny and sparkly. And one silver and one white. I just thought that was like the cutest little thing. I feel like if you go to a dollar store and you get the ones with the 2 in them. Sometimes they're a little bit different, sometimes they're the same, but you're getting a little bit more for your money, especially if you're on a budget like I am and you want it to go an even longer way than normal. So definitely, especially with house hunting, we're trying to save as much money as we possibly can because we're trying to have a huge down payment on for a loan. Getting there, guys. I'm getting there. And then we also got this 10-piece ornament set. These are just snowflakes. I absolutely love these. They're going to tie in with the things that my parents used to do when I was a kid. And I'm so excited. And then last but not least, we got, and again, going with the rustic vibe and the Hallmark truck. It just says, home for the holidays. And I thought this was super, super pretty. It just, like I said, reminds me of the Hallmark Channel. It has the tree on the back. And what's better than sitting down with a cup of coffee or a hot chocolate or something with your loved ones watching a Hallmark movie, especially around Christmas time, or watching any kind of movie. Hallmark is like my obsession. I'm sorry, it is. Colt's mom and I will sit and binge on the couch for hours watching Hallmark movies together, which is really nice because we bond really well over stuff like that. But if you look really closely, the snow is like so, so pretty, and it's like 3D lifted off of the truck. I don't want to touch it too much. I'm going to spray it with my Scotch Guard that I do have. I do have Mod Podge as well. I wanted to spray it so the glitter didn't come off like for next year after we pack it away. But I was thinking about using my Scotch Guard, or see, the top is like all sparkly too. But the Scotch Guard, or I can find something else at the store to just spray just to make sure the glitter stays there so it lasts forever. But it just has a piece of twine on the top, and then the back of it it's like cardboard. But honestly, I would sell these if I made them or had them. I would sell them for like $3 or $4, to be completely honest. But Dollar Tree has your back, I promise you. So anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. I will have a Christmas decorating video soon. A clean and decorate with me for Christmas. Sneak peek. I already put Novelle's Christmas tree up the other day. I believe it was Tuesday. We put our Christmas tree up and she helped me, so I'm going to be featuring a video on there of her help with me. It'll be, of course, being fast forward because it took us 17 minutes in the video to decorate it. But I'm so excited. Her face lit up from seeing Christmas. And honestly, it's not too early for Christmas. If you want to do Christmas early, you can, because if you love the holiday and it makes you happier, then why wait till last minute? Some people will wait till after Thanksgiving, but this year I'm going all out before Thanksgiving, and it's because I love the season so much. I love Christmas. I don't like the cold, but I'm the kind of person that I hate the cold, but I would love to be wrapped up in like a warm, fuzzy sweater sitting in front of a fireplace. I don't know why. God just made me like that. But in reality, I'll be sitting in front of a fireplace watching Beauty and the Beast because I love Tiffany so much. Like, she's just the bomb. She is, like, mom goals and the whole 9 yards. She's so pretty, down to earth and everything. I'll link her channel down below if you guys have not checked her out yet. But other than that, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so already, especially if you want to see more of these videos. Also, let me know if you guys want me to do a shop with me. And I won't be so scared next time to take my phone in and actually record. But I can go to any stores. I know my mother-in-law tonight just got a bunch of stuff from Walmart. And she said that she spent a pretty penny, but she got all the decorations that she wanted for her farmhouse theme. So if you guys want anything like that, make sure you guys let me know down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you think that that truck reminds you of the Hallmark channel. Especially with the new sweaters that are coming out on Facebook for Hallmark. And it says this is my Hallmark sweater or something. But anyway, until next time, God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.